Closing a project to open another one is frustrating and time-consuming, but with Filmora 15's new feature, SubProjects, you can import multiple projects without closing the current one. Want to know more about it? Keep watching! Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my upcoming Filmora 15 videos. Filmora 15 introduced some new features in the recent version, and SubProjects is one of them. Let's see how to use SubProjects in Filmora 15. Step 1. Launch Filmora, and on the main editing board, open any of your projects that you are working on. Step 2. Now, to open a subproject in Filmora 15, go to the file and click on it, and you will see the SubProjects option. Click on it, and it will ask you to select the project you want to open. Select the project and click on Open. Step 3. Right above your timeline, you will see a new tab open for your second project. The main timeline will show you your main project, and second one is your sub-project. Step 4. Click on the Sub-Project tab to access the sub-project. Now you can move files from a sub-project to the main project or main to sub. Simply select the file, hold it and drag it to the main project, and place it on the timeline. Similarly, select the file from the main project and move it to the sub-project. This feature not only saves time, but also increases the efficiency of the creator. Now, working on multiple projects at the same time is super easy with Filmora 15's SubProjects feature. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials on Filmora 15 features. Download Filmora 15 now and explore these new features. See you in the next video.